Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is another perfect day for adventure, and for today's episode we're heading off to the fishing spot again in the island and hopefully catch some mackerel. This is the rod that I'm going to use, and later on we're gonna cook sashimi mackerel if we are lucky. So let's go. So I'm back here in the island, and as you can see, I'm aiming for my first cast, and hopefully some mackerel out there that we're gonna bring home. So guys, after a few hours of catching mackerel here in the island, I think we have 4 mackerel here, and look at the size of the mackerel here. I think this is perfect for sashimi, so I'm gonna clean this and we will head home.
Out by the ocean, among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand. Been a long time without you. Been a long time without love. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Really out by the ocean, among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
So I'm done cleaning all this mackerel. So I'm gonna go pack up my things, and we're gonna head home for the perfect sashimi mackerel. So So I'm here now at the dock and waiting for my boat, and I see him coming now to bringing us back to the other side of the island. So guys, I'm showing you how to fillet the mackerel for a perfect sashimi. First of all, we have to clean the mackerel and ensure that it is free from any bones. So I have to fillet it properly, like what I'm doing here now. So I'm be careful because of the the knife is sharp like that. So on the other side, I have to fillet as well. So basically, just making it sure that there is no bone on your sashimi. And also, you need to remove the belly part of the mackerel that's fatty and bony. So you have to get rid of all the bones, and basically you have to fillet, slice, and then make it sure that's perfectly cleaned. So I'm going to slice it as the size of bite size. Just make sure that it's only not really thick, just for the vinegar to soak in properly. Yeah, that is how you strip the mackerel, and we are making sure that there is no bones at all. So after all this cutting and stripping, I'm now preparing for the red onion, and you have to cut it by very small pieces as well. And then the ginger, a good sized ginger. So normally the ideal way of doing this is to make use of a blender, just to make it perfectly small. And of course the chili. You also need a hot chili for this sashimi. And the next one is you have to rinse with vinegar the mackerel meat. Put some salt in it and rinse with vinegar, and slightly press This is the reason for this is to get rid of the blood inside the meat, and the vinegar also serves as the one who cooked the mackerel meat. And then the chili as well, green chilies. So you just pour it in the bowl and mix it up all together. And as you can see, I have red radish. This is optional, but this is a great combination as well for sashimi, just for a tender, for a contrast taste. And all the ingredients here now, so I have to mix it in the bowl together with the mackerel meat. And then the next one is the lime juice and the lemon juice. So you have to pour in the juices of this lime juice and lemon juice into the ingredients. And I think that's all. Then the next is you have to and then add salt, and for me it's a little bit of sugar, just to make the taste balance, especially the sourness of the vinegar, and more vinegar. And then you have to mix it properly. And let's add another vinegar. So guys, here is now your perfect sashimi mackerel fresh from the island. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.